I didn't expect our first generation heavy hoodie, the one I'm wearing, to capture the hearts and hands of so many American mavericks. It was supposed to be a one and done because I thought no one needs an apocalyptic level hoodie. Our customers sent us photos and valuable feedback. And most of that feedback, simply put, they said, this thing is bomb-proof, that it was a lifesaver. Then, my team came to me and they said they wanted to make some changes. And then they brought me something unexpected. And we had to find a way to build it. I'm Pete Roberts, founder and CEO of Origin, and today I'm gonna walk you through why we made the heavy half-zip hoodie and what you can expect if you're lucky enough to get your hands on one. This heavy half-zip is 13 ounces of American-grown open-end cotton. It feels like your grandfather's hoodie on the outside, but on the inside, it's super soft. You know, there's overbuilding something which is standard for us at Origin, but what would we build if time and cost wasn't an issue? Well, you end up with a product like this. We added mil-spec Origin Nylock woven panel overlays on the shoulder and on the elbows. What does that mean though? It means this hoodie has armor. We've reinforced these high impact zones with a DWR, which stands for durable water repellency. Whether you get caught in the rain or you're brushing up against something abrasive, you know you're wearing something that's gonna last. This thing is designed for the unknown. Functionally, you've got your classic kangaroo pocket, but we engineered this one a bit differently. There's two hidden number 5 zippers, so your stuff stays where you put it. And that's the point of this hoodie. Everything we did has a purpose. You might remember this original heavy hoodie. For this new half zip, we didn't just throw a zipper on it. We changed the design for ergonomics to make it easier to get on and off, whether you're wearing a hard hat or you're layered up on the job site. This thing won't get in the way. Now, like all Origin products, the hoodie has a double needle top stitch. That's twice the thread and 2 times the security. We're talking about a thread weight and construction that isn't for the runway. It's for the trenches of wherever life will take you. And when the temperature drops, you'll keep your brain bucket warm with a fully lined fleece hood. But not just any hood, a 3-piece hood, because it fits better, it's more functional, it covers more, keeps you warmer, and it gives you that extra layer of protection without the bulk. Another major change that we made from the original heavy hoodie is how we approached the overall fit. We realized that a lot of you may be wearing it with a tool belt, and we decided to make the hem come just below the belt line, providing a streamlined feel while also being super functional. The same rib knit textile used in the bottom hem is used also in the cuffs, keeping the hoodie locked in place with extra power that won't bag out. It doesn't lose its shape, and it doesn't get sloppy after wearing it day after day. This hoodie is gonna look and feel just as good after months and years of use as it did on day one. And in 50 years, someone's gonna pick it up in a thrift store and keep on wearing it. That's what you get when you invest in quality. American materials, American hands, and American soul. No shortcuts, no compromise. Every dollar stays on US soil, supporting American workers and their families and our American supply chain. This is the heavy half-zip hoodie. I'm looking forward to learning about the punishment you're gonna put yours through.